So we have Aggie. She found her loving forever home at 4 weeks. On Saturday, Daisy got adopted to her loving home. Excuse your nose. Olive green used to be pink. She's going to get looked at today. White, she's going to get looked at today. And black, he's going to get looked at today. So hopefully after today, I'll be down to 2 puppies. Aggie is going this week. Her owner's landing Wednesday. And Daisy I have to keep for another 10 days to 2 weeks because her parents had to go on vacation first. And I was more than happy to take care of her. Green is the biggest little thief. She stole a bone from one of the adult dogs and now she's keeping it away from Aggie. It is so cute. The bone's bigger than her head. Greenie.